Good evening everyone. This is Vrishali. In previous sessions we discussed about software development lifecycle and different software models with examples. I have mentioned complete software engineering subject playlist link in below description box. Now, in today's session we will discuss about the next important model, that is agile model. Let's start the session. In today's session, we will discuss about introduction, traditional versus agile model working with example, when to use agile model, their principles and advantages and disadvantages of agile model. Let's see all these points one by one. Now, the first thing is what exactly agile model. In today's digital era, in each and every softwares like shopping applications, Flipkart, Amazon, Myntra, then social applications like Instagram, Facebook, then WhatsApp. So each and every software agile model have used. The meaning of agile is to continuously changing requirements, technology and the people. This is called as agile. And this agile model follow incremental and iterative process of software development approach. Let's understand the working of agile model. Now see here. Here is traditional versus agile model working with example. Here I am taking example of social applications like Instagram. Suppose a particular customer want Instagram application, right? Now their requirements are this. First they want follow and follow option, editing profile, searching, messaging, post photos, upload story, to make a reels and go live. This kind of requirements are there, right? Suppose we use waterfall model for this development purpose. Waterfall is a first traditional model. Now what is the concept of waterfall model? First they gather all the requirements from the customer. So there are total 8 requirements from the customer. For example, now they design the product, implement the product, testing the product, and after completing this product, they deploy to the customer. And at the end, they take a feedback from the customers, right? This is the concept of waterfall model. Now, suppose we use agile model for development purpose. See here. What is the concept or working of agile model? In agile model, the first is requirement gathering. They collect all the requirements from the customer and they ask highest and priority wise requirements. Suppose customer want first three requirement that has highest priority like follow unfollow option, editing profile and searching. So in agile model in first iteration they develop these three requirements first. They design, develop and test these three requirements as a product, okay, and they deploy it to the customer. Now they take a review or feedback from the customer according to these three requirement development. If customer want any changes, they move to next iteration, okay. In this next iteration, they made a changes as per the customer requirement and they develop next three requirement like searching, messaging and post photos in next iteration. Okay, means they design, develop, test, deploy these three requirements. Okay, now after deploying, they again take a customer feedback. If customer want any changes, they move to next iteration and next iteration they solve those changes and again develop next two requirement like to make a reels and go live, this kind of requirements. Now they design, develop, test and deploy this requirement. So at that time these all requirements have fulfilled, then they deploy it to the customer and again take a customer review. If customer want any changes, they solve all these changes and again launch the product. So this is a working of agile model. Agile model divide complete requirements into the multiple iterations and they developed a product as per the priority of the requirements. Next. Now see here. Here traditional waterfall model required how much time for development and how much time required for agile model for development. Suppose in waterfall model it take a 2 months for requirement gathering and analysis phase. Okay. After that it take almost 1.5 month for designing purpose. And after that they almost take a 4 month for coding purpose and 1.5 month for testing purpose, and at the end if any changes want required customer for that one purpose. Me almost they require development purpose almost 8 to 9 months, right? But now in agile model, in first iteration they take almost 3 to 4 weeks for development purpose. Now after developing first iteration, they move to second iteration for 3 to 4 weeks and again move to next iteration for 3 to 4 weeks, right? Means for development purpose they required only 3 months. So that's why agile model used in each and every softwares nowadays. Agile model required minimum time for development with greater accuracy and greater quality of the product. Clear? Next. Now, the important thing is when to use agile model. See, when your project size is large and ongoing project and when continuously changing requirements, your requirements are not fixed. Customer interaction is more. For developing agile model, you have to require highly qualified and experienced team. And here, after every iteration, customer interaction is there, right? Means here customer is ready to have a meeting with software team all the time after each and every iteration. And this project with flexible timeline and budget. There is a rapidly development of the product. On this phase, agile model have used. Now there are different agile principles. Agile model follow total 12 principles. That's why agile model have used in different software product nowadays. The first principle is to satisfy the customers in early continued delivery. The first important principle is here in agile model, the highest priority is customer interaction and customer feedback. After each and every interaction, they take a customer feedback and there is a early and continued delivery of the software. In 2 weeks, they deploy first iteration, means first three requirement of the particular product. After that, they deliver next requirement and after that they deliver next requirement in this way. Means they early and continue delivery of the software. The next principle is changing requirements. Here, customer can change their requirements in any phase, right? That's why it is flexible for the customer and customer satisfaction is there. The next principle is frequent and short delivery. Means each and every iteration they deploy to the customer after couple of weeks or couple of months, right? The next principle is for transparency between business people and developer. Here, every stakeholder means customers, requirement gathering, then project head, developer, tester, everyone work together. This is a main advantage of agile principle. That's why there is a better productive environment. And due to this better productive environment and all the stakeholder work together, that's why it leads to better productivity and better quality of the product. The next principle is face to face communication. Here, after every iteration, they take a customer feedback. Means there is a face to face communication between customer and development team. That's why there is a accuracy of the product and customer satisfaction. The next principle is effective designing and technical excellence. Due to involvement of the customers, they design the accurate of the product and more time they do on the implementation of the product. They follow proper coding standards and different designing standards. Now, the next principle is sustainable development. Here, all the developers, users, sponsors, all are work together and there is a rapid delivery of the product. That's why it promotes the sustainable development. And next principle is there is a continuous attention on technical excellence and good design. If there are good design is there, then only developer develop a product more accurate way, right? The next agile principle is simplicity. Here, maximum result and less hard work. In agile model, they can't waste time more on requirement gathering on planning phase. They required more time on designing and coding part, right? That's why there is a maximum result and less hard work. No documentation work is there or less documentation is there, right? The next agile principle is self-organizing and experienced team. As we discussed, for developing agile model, it required highly qualified and experienced team because there is a rapid development and customer satisfaction is there, right? And last one is regular analysis and work on improving. After every iteration, they take a customer feedback. So it is very important to solve all the customer required changes and develop next iteration, next priority requirements. So that's why regular analysis and work on improving on each and every product is there. So these all 12 principles must follow in agile model development. Now next one is advantages of agile model. So as we discussed earlier, first there is a customer satisfaction and customer involvement. This is one of the most advantage. There is a strong communication between software team and customer. Then there is a little planning required because they focus more on design and development phase. And in agile model, there is a efficient design. They fulfill all the customer requirements. And anytime changes, your requirements are continuously changes, right? So anytime changes are acceptable in agile model. Now agile model provide very realistic approach. Okay, they provide very accurate and quality of the software. Now each and every week new updates are there. In first iteration there are some new requirements. After in second iteration there are new versions are there. Let's take one example. Suppose you want to buy a particular laptop, okay? And you buy this laptop in January month. Suppose there is a Lenovo laptop is there. You check all the requirements, their memory, their size, their battery, etc. Right? And on next February month, again there is a updated version of the same software, same laptop, right? So this used agile model. Each and every week they release a updated version and updated features, right? And last one is it reduced total development time. So these are the advantages of agile model. Now the disadvantages of agile model. The main disadvantages is there is lack of proper documentation. They can't waste their time on documentation. And that's why there is no any proper documentation. Suppose after deploying product, customer want any maintenance and customer want any changes after finishing the project. So it becomes very difficult. Means due to the lack of proper documentation, maintenance is difficult. And it completely heavily depend on the customer interaction. Customer interaction, customer involvement is more. So these are the some disadvantages of agile model. So thank you. Keep learning.